Across aviation, manufacturing, defense, and field service, organizations are using Manifest to transform how work gets done. Instead of relying on memory, paper, or informal processes, they're giving their teams clear, guided instructions right on the devices they already use. In this video, you'll hear directly from customers about how Manifest is helping them train faster, improve quality, and capture critical expertise before it's lost.
Where Manifest can help us is that local expert is in the tablet, it's on the iPad, it's in the app.
I've had a fantastic experience with Manifest. It's a really fantastic integration to the whole learning while doing model. This guarantees that each step is followed and it's the same thing repeatably each and every single time.
With the Manifest software, people have no excuse of not knowing, because we can hand them a tablet and just okay, this is what's wrong with it. Use the tablet to guide you, go and do your job. That's it.
These machines can kill you, can hurt you, maim you. So I want you to do it right. Here it is. I'm giving you a device that you're going to be super awesome in it.
A real great benefit to produce a closeout package as you're going through the process. And that just saves you an extra step at the end of the project, where typically we're spending another day to capture the closeout information, where this could be doing it all along.
Manifest Maker it's a very intuitive system to use. It really lets us capture that local knowledge that it takes years and years of experience to build up. We can capture pictures, videos, annotations, and it's so important that we capture that information. When a colleague leaves the business with years of experience, that experience goes with them. Using Manifest allows us to make this experience virtual.
The future is definitely spatial computing and training people on plans. With this, it's going to definitely make things easier I think for every company around the world.